We are at Salmon Lasac Campground in Washington, and we're hiking to Spade Lake. It's 14 miles out, so it means 28 miles round trip. We're gonna try to leave here about noon. Hope to get to the campground before 8 to set up. Danny, Gabby, Isabel, and I doing it, so we'll just have 4, but we only have a 3-person backpacking, so we have to carry our heavy 4-person tent for it, and all this food. So check it out. For one night backpacking, this is what we packed. We've got arugula for salad tonight, so we're gonna put everything cold at the bottom of our bear canister. I'm gonna put these coconut chunks on the bottom. They taste really good tonight for dessert when they melt. So that's gonna be with the arugula. And then we have some hummus and edamames that'll also melt along the way. So we're just gonna put those down, keep all that cold. Some carrots and celery, should be able to squeeze in here. And for our snack up, we've got our bento collection with the fig crackers, some trail mix, and dried apricots. And then we also have apples, and we'll grab 2 oranges each for our snacks. Here you go, dry. I'll leave you guys the rest. All right, we'll also do bagels with cream cheese as a snack, and all of our chocolate. So we each have 2 Kind bars. Actually, we'll keep this out here. We each have 2 Kind bars. Sponsor us, Kind bars. And where's our bark thins? We'll have to put these down. I'm gonna put the bark thins in our bento also. Oh, we have candy pecans for our salad. Those are delicious. We've got some chips because we haven't eaten lunch today, so on the way up we'll eat some chips. We've got beef jerky. I only drink out of ceramic coffee cups, so we have our coffee cup. Oh, in here in the jet boil, that's all ground coffee already. And these cool little spoons and forks. Bring some emergency packets, always need those, and some herbal tea, well-rested tea to help us sleep tonight. Okay, I love these ECOLunchboxes because they totally seal up. And then we're gonna wrap it into a cute little basket. Save those for later. I hate it when I pack too much chocolate, it doesn't fit.
Do you really though? Do you really?
Is there such a thing as too much chocolate? See if I can actually do this. Okay. Tuck that one in. Easier to tie into a belay. All right, and then you can tie it. We're gonna get a carabiner and we're gonna tie it to the outside of our pack. We don't own one. What is it? Take this. Don't waste it. Blow your nose with this. Oh, this is the trick before you go backpacking. Oh, we're doing 28 miles, it's gonna hurt. You gotta foam roll the back, and you gotta foam roll the hip flexors and the quads. This is gonna be painful. All right, I wish I could pack my foam roller, but I gotta strap on Tati. This is Tati. Come on, Tati, this is you? This is Tati. Oh, she's so heavy to drag around.
She can't carry herself.
I love her so much. I'm 10 steps in. My back already hurts. I hate this backpack. We did not size ourselves right. That one right there that Isabel has, Wanderer 70, that we got off of Amazon. Awesome backpack.
And
love that backpack. This one is what?
An
REI Crest Trail. Awesome backpack. This Crest Trail 70 sucks. It's like...
It's so fat.
Like, it's like Thanksgiving dinner, your stomach gets bloated instantly.
It's a pot belly backpack.
It's horrible, doesn't hold. And this one just friggin' hurts like crazy. Someday a new backpack. Sponsor me.
This wilderness has our name written all over it. Alpine Lakes Wilderness. So we begin.
No way we're gonna make a 3-mile-an-hour pace with this backpack this heavy.
Perfect.
It's gonna be a long day.
You guys, we made it to the river crossing. Be careful. Gotta get your shoes on.
No.
Danny, how many hours have we been hiking, or how many miles?
We've hiked about 3 miles.
Okay.
3 miles.
Mile 3. Food's coming out. Don't know how far we're gonna make it. But bad news is that the hike we wanted to go do, the lake, is closed from snow. So we have to go to the 8-mile one. Such a big disappointment. Whoa, what is this? Perfect little picnic. We're the only people that go backpacking with salad. And we're gonna go with salad with candied pecans and green goddess dressing.
And pepper.
That was a dumb idea.
Also, why?
Danny, what are you doing? We're
Okay.
losers and we went going back.
No.
Well,
what-
we don't want to
here.
sit, like, we didn't bring enough entertainment because we thought we were going to hike further. And so we figured we don't really want to just sit here for 4 hours. We won't be able to sleep for a long time still. So we're just going to hike back, 9 miles, no big deal.
And to me, this is our excuse to tell you how we are such beasts for carrying 30 pounds of an unnecessary sleeping equipment in our bags.
It's pretty ridiculous. But
Bruises I'm going to have on my tailbone from that backpack.
I will
And this
know
is
if
another
this is how
instance
people
of-
die in horror movies.
Yeah, we're going to be hiking back in the dark. Let's hope.
Don't say that.
I left my.
I thought, though, that was an epic, hike to wouldn't you ever day hike, have a campfire,
Yeah.
an amazing meal? That was
It's
so
true.
fun.
That's true.
It was like a 3-star.
It's like
All
a-
because
I need
Jade
more
Lake
carbs.
or Spade Lake, not Jade Lake.
I
Spade
know,
Lake.
if we had made it to Spade Lake, it's got to be that one up there.
Up there. It was actually probably.
Totally different.
It was probably that one back there.
Yeah, I don't think it'd be that far, but maybe.
We decided that we didn't want to stay there, like we told you. So now we've been hiking back for like the last 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
And it's
We're
great.
starting to regret it.
Oh, it hurts.
You don't
They
even
were-
want to hear what I think.
Like, this is the
Don't-
thing.
don't
You
ask my
sit
sister.
down, and you're like, oh, this is nice. I think I'll feel better when I stand up. You stand up, and you feel like your ankles are broken.
It
But
feels
you're
like
pri-
your feet are gonna disintegrate out from under you.
Wow, that's a good. I should use that in a book. But no, but like seriously, there's been several parts in the last couple hours where we could have stopped, but we're like, no.
It's so ugly.
It's so ugly. It's a beautiful forest. I mean, this part is dead.
No, I'm the one who says it's so ugly.
Gabby has high standards.
It's
We're
not
too
San Diego.
jaded.
It's not San Diego.
Well, that's true. It's not San Diego. It's gorgeous,
Look at this
but
beautiful
it's not
birch
worth
tree.
sleeping in a tent
It has
for.
makeup.
I got my
Here,
motor
Daddy, should I
home,
do like
Mom,
a...
my soft pillow. Oh, here, well, let's keep walking. My feet hurt. This is like the prettiest part of the whole hike.
Wish just don't go.
It's gorgeous right here. Imagine how good our feet would feel if we didn't hike so far.
Imagine.
Okay. Dark. Tell me how horrible it is.
Well, I haven't had this much foot pain for a long time, so.
You're like a badass. Except I don't have a sword.
Do you think this is why people don't want to sign up for Adventure Bigger? Because
Yeah, we're
they
too
might get stuck-
intimidating.
They might get stuck hiking in the dark. It's not always like this.
Hey,
Only 90% of the time.
yeah. And